Hey guys, this is Ian and Noah coming to you from Dirty Rag Restorations. This is our garage. This is one of the kind of the finishing shops, one of our shops. We try to maintain decently clean here so we can assemble some cars. Show them what we're up to behind you there, Noah.
So this
Slowly there. That there's a 72 Mustang. I had when I was 14. I bought it when I was 14 for 250 bucks. By 16 it was painted green from Mako. I think killed one of the schools here, did the quarters and some rust repairs, so a real budget build. I had no money. I sold it when I was 19. Me and my dad actually built a 429 for it back in the day there. Anyway, sold it when I was 19 or 20 for 4,500 bucks. Bought it back 4 years ago, so probably 25-year difference. And I have a little bit more ability to purchase some parts. So we gave the Mustang a full go over. We got ourselves a 72 Mustang. I mean, the Grande was never a sought after model, so we prettied it up a little bit. Modified the hood, the fenders, some ground effects, scoops on the side, give a little walk around there, show them the dovetail on the back of the car. The wet sanding has made a heck of a mess in the car, so we're trying to clean it up. Got a 429 in there out of I believe when I bought it when I was 17. That was a couple $100. Anyways, obviously we've put some more parts into it this time around. We've got some aluminum heads, fuel injection, CVF front accessory drive, Be Cool Rad, twin fans. So it's gonna motor. I've got a 4L80E behind it, with a GM transmission to hold the power. I probably didn't need to, but I'm very familiar with them, so that's what we did. Yeah, that is the update on that car. Behind you, you've got the 67 Camaro. It came in for, well, it's mine. I've restored this. I had this when I was 30. It took me 10 years to get it to this. When I was 40, we had the first show, World of Wheels. And then I've been driving it ever since. I think I got 17,000 kilometers on it, maybe more. I just drove it to Minneapolis a couple weeks back and lost my power brakes. So as you can see, we are ripping her apart and getting her fixed up a little bit. Give them a quick view of that one there, Noah. Right beside it, you got yourself a 1930 Model A. We've been, this is Dad's car, my dad. He's been working on this for, well, I've had it for quite some time, but we've really started working on it in the last 6 years. So, and he's putting his foot on the gas, so to speak. So we're getting close. We're onto the brake system now. And he's already completed the fuel system. Give him a quick look in the back seat there. We do have covers that cover all that up to make it some sort of security. Yeah, chopped and small block Chevy, 700 R4, drums in the back, conversion in the front for the discs. That's gonna be a pretty cool ride. We bought some brand new. We had too much sway in the body. We bought some brand new QA1 shocks. And let me tell you, they made the world of difference. It took the roll out of it, which was phenomenal. We didn't think it was going to do that, but it did. We thought we'd have to do a sway bar, which we might end up having to do, but it's drastically improved. And yeah, so that's the shop. I don't think you ever had well, there's the Blue Lagoon over there. You could have a quick, quick kind of peek-see at that one. This one here we bought about 2 years ago. I think we paid 16 grand for it. It was at a 327 4-speed. It wasn't any originality. There's no RSSS. So we picked it up. We thought we'd just throw a few bucks into it, maybe turn it. But $1 led to another and led to another, and a few more after that. It ended up with a LS2, which is an all aluminum 6-liter, 4L80E, 3000 stall, disc conversion in the front. I think we have, yeah, we've got the coilover conversion in the front as well. Left the back pretty much stock. It already has a 12 bolt. So this is the, this one. We just finished that this year, and we're, you know, with a couple odds and ends now. Front steering a little tight. Does not like roads that are not perfect. So we're thinking we've got some bump steer, and I'm trying to chase it out of there. But anyway, that's the shop. Give you the tour. And now up to know the next ride, which is a 1950 Chev truck, and Noah can take it away from here.
All right, hey guys, I'm Noah. I'm his son. So what we got here, it's kind of in the side here, but we got a nice old 1950 truck, model 1430, and it's a 1433 is what it says in there. I don't really know too much about the engines here, but we're gonna set up the GoPro and stuff. I'm just gonna climb up here. So it's a little bit of a rust bucket. Got quite a bit of rust in the cab, which we will show you in a second once we get everything ready. We're gonna unload this thing over into this area over here, just right over here kind of. Got the tripod set over there, so you're gonna be able to see us backing it in with a time lapse. And that's what's gonna be going on here. So yeah, and one of the badges was coming off here. It's the 1430 badge. So we had to take it off. This is when we were getting it. This thing was like it was like a 3.5 hour drive out and then 3.5 back, so 7 hours in total. But we'll show you the interior in a second here. We're gonna try and pop some air into these tires. We don't know if they'll hold it or not. Yeah, that's what's going on over here. So I'm gonna get some gloves on, and we're gonna go into the truck, because it's a little bit of like I said, it's a little bit of a rust bucket, but we're gonna make it so we're gonna fix it all up. So just gonna place you guys right there. Give me 2 seconds. Now we're gonna cut this part out for sure. And I'm gonna go into that cab and check it out. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna come around here. I'm gonna blur out that license plate. So it's got nice old tires here, so let's jump up on the trailer. We just got this thing yesterday. Doors, we'll put some WD-40 in the doors. The seat is absolutely mulched, so we put some stuff there so I can actually climb inside and shift it into neutral. I think we're gonna take out this seat here today. I don't think we're gonna be getting it running today, but we got quite a bit of rust here in the cab, so we're gonna have to put this thing into repair. We got some turn signals over here, as you can see. Hazards, yeah, okay. So we hooked a battery up to this thing. The only lights that worked were the running lights, so yeah, that's our situation here. The horn works, that's for sure. All right, we're gonna unload this truck onto there, over there. Maybe I'll close it later. Hey Dad, how's it going in here?
Fighting the battle with our air system.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
Nah. Oh, geez, sorry about that.
Smells like crap.
Thanks. I'm just gonna bypass this so that we can get air outside. This is not even necessary for what we're up to.
All right, well, I'm gonna set up the GoPro like over there so they can see us filling up the tires
Okay.
and see if they hold air.
You bet. Well, they'll hold enough air to get us so that we can roll it off there anyway.
Yeah, let's just see if that even works there. All right, I'm gonna set up the GoPro. We'll see you guys in a bit. All right, hey guys, we're back. We just put down the 50 Chevy. I put it from there to there, or whatever. Did what we needed to. Now we got a better look at this thing, and we're gonna start working on this thing. We're gonna rip those seats out, right? And just rip everything out, right? I'm gonna set a tripod right here. Right here. How's that? So that they can see.
Yeah. Something like that. This seat is our #1.
And we need to get it out of there.
And all this nice and easy. Come on.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna set. Alright, hey guys.
We're back after a little coffee break.
On the progress.
Yeah, I get a good look in there.
I took the seat out completely.
Cleaned it up.
Yep. So now we're gonna take that gas tank out. And then what after that?
After that, I think we're gonna try to take the front clip off this thing.
And then just take everything off?
Yeah, so that we can get down to the cab. And so that we can assess the rust and what parts to order. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
All right. I'm gonna set them up in there.
No, I want you to put this time. I want it on your chest or your head.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Kick.
Alright guys, we're back. We cleaned up the back over here. As you can see, like right over here, kind of in there. So there's some rust down there. And also on the other side of the cabin. Or cab, whatever you want to call it. So we did put air in these tires at the start of the video, but the thing is, this one tire here is flat. It's just, it doesn't want to hold air. So we're gonna have to get a new tire for this one here. Or just whatever we think of. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Yeah, what you doing here?
We're doing a little cleanup, like put the tools away.
Okay.
And then we're gonna
How's this?
get the front end off.
We're gonna get to taking the front end off? Oh, okay, okay. So we did, whenever we got this thing, check what works. So the horn works and the running lights work. See these right there? So.
Can you take this to the shed, please? And I'll put the back in the line.
All right.
Over and out. Thank you.
Just doing some cleanup. I'm probably gonna cut this part of the video out. Great, he likes pulling everywhere. That stinky dog. All right. Tell me, Samuel, what's going on? Huh, Dad?
Well,
This is where the fuel tank used to be. Oh. Are you gonna try and take that out? Yeah. I'll put that with the fuel tank.
on the bench.
Okay.
Yeah, just put the little part.
Where's the little parts? There we go. So what's going on?
Well, I think those 3 bolts are the ones he was talking about in the video about removing.
What 3 bolts?
These ones here. I think that's the inner fender. 1, 2, 3.
You gonna try and close that?
Spring loaded?
I have no idea.
It's missing the.
Oh, it's missing the thing? You got spider webs all over here.
Well, talking about 6 bolts and 2 bolts up front or something, so let's look for those.
He was like inside the fender though. He was down there.
Yeah, he was. So we'll have to get creative.
It's patina truck. Oh, there's a little dent there.
These bolts he was talking about.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
And the inner fender.
1, 2, 3. We talked about more over there. Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, we watched a video on how we how to take off the fender.
Rusty. Well, gotta turn the wheel hard right.
Hard right?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I can get in there.
All right, I got it. Just make sure this thing doesn't buck and come back at you. Hard right? I can hear it working wonders. Yeah. How much to the right?
Alright, good stuff.
If I let go, it's gonna come back.
That's good, leave it there?
Just let go?
Yeah, go ahead. That's pretty good, no?
Really?
Yeah. And there's the heater hoses we gotta cut in half once you get that fancy saw there.
Oh, the fancy saw?
Yep.
Where'd you put it?
You put it away on the bench already.
Yeah. Milwaukee. Fuck. Trip on everything. What? What's wrong?
I don't know. False alarm. I caught my head on there, but no blood, so we're good.
Oh.
Okay, so you're gonna hit it here. 1 and 2.
Do you mind getting a step ladder?
You don't need one.
Yes, I do. Well, viewers
Oh.
won't see anything.
Well, we gotta raise this up a little bit, don't we?
No.
Huh?
No, it's not little.
There you
It's,
go.
this isn't.
Yeah, it's low.
It's not how it sits, though.
So that way they can see something. Oh,
Ow.
shit. Oh, you got stuff. We gotta blow your face off because you got rust bits inside your glasses there.
Really?
Yeah. Need you to close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
That hurts.
Oh, hurt your eyes?
No, it hurt just in general.
Feel it? Maybe just.
Let me just wash my face.
Yeah. Just close your eyes and you wash your face, okay?
Okay. I gotta take this camera off.